Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a hair review from Yolissa Hair. This is the box that it came in. I had already opened it and then now I can't even close it. But the company reached out to me and they wanted me to try some hair. They sent me a 5x5 HD 20-inch water wave wig. So this is what the hair looks like. For 5x5, this kind of looks a little bit, I don't know, I've seen bigger 5x5s, but I'm not measuring it or nothing. I really don't mind it. The hair does feel good, but like all of this is already coming out. Curlier hair usually like sheds more, but it feels good. So yeah, I'm gonna braid my hair. I'm gonna bleach the knots. It's already pre-plucked. I'll probably plug it like a little tiny bit more. Yeah, and then I'm gonna install. And then yeah, I'm gonna install. So I was gonna dye it jet black too, but I just did not feel like doing that. So we're just gonna go with this and see how this comes out.
Knockout. You win.
Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. Yeah, I plucked it and bleached it and tinted to lace, mostly off camera. And then I wet the hair and I put some mousse and some Eco Styler gel on it and just let it dry out a little bit. And yeah, this is how it came out. The hair is really soft. It does feel good. The shipping took about a week to come, after we already like negotiated, like, you know, what kind of hair I was gonna use and shipping and all of that. Yeah, after all of that was solidified, it took about a week to get here. But yeah, so far I do like it. It is a 5x5, so it stops right here. And yeah, the lace is very thin. It definitely looks HD. It was easy to bleach and all the rest of that too. The only thing is, this is a water wave, but I feel like the hair is like more like a deep wave. Like it looks like it's giving deep wave more than water wave, which is all right. Like I'm not upset about it or anything. But the hair, like you saw in the video, when it's dry, when it's completely dry, the hair is like here, and that's usually with deep wave kind of hair. Water wave, it would have been like not as like super puffy, but it is cool. So yeah, I want to thank Yolissa Hair for reaching out to me. If you guys have anything else you want me to review, definitely let me know. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to add a really quick update. So this right here is the same exact hair. I was just like, I wasn't really feeling the deep wave that it was giving. Like, it was supposed to be a water wave. I feel like water wave is supposed to be a whole lot looser. I feel like that was more of a deep wave, like I'm about to go on vacation somewhere and it's just the big curly, and I just really was not feeling it. And then I'm like, let me see if I can flat iron it and see how that goes. And so I did that. I flat ironed it and I put some curls in it with some pins. And honestly, I like it way better like this than curly. I haven't tried to wet it again to see what would happen. I'm just gonna leave it like this for as long as I can. And then later on, I'm gonna see if it'll go back curly. But yeah, I was not expecting for it to come out as good as it did. I wish they would have sent me straight hair from the beginning, because this does feel good. And when it is curly and I'm in the shower, like just wetting it while I'm showering, the shedding is crazy. Like, it sheds so much. I don't even feel like I got that much shedding since it's been straight, which is weird. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that real quick. Yeah, this is still the same 5x5 right here. And yeah, I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm actually about to go on a date. That's why I even like try to pop out with my hair right now. And I feel like it looks very cute. And now I gotta go.